2, 1, go.
Lawyers have an interesting business. As a lawyer for 40 years, I learned I was getting paid to talk. I was getting paid to write. But more importantly, I was getting paid to influence others. That's what we call leadership. As a lawyer, you have a duty to be a leader. And what does that mean? Be a leader? Well, actually, I want you to do leadership, not just be leadership. And when you do leadership, that means you communicate to others that you're a leader. By the way, leaders know when they walk into a room who the other leaders are. In negotiation, which lawyers do all the time, a good negotiator knows a good negotiator even before they see him in person, because they're watching how they're preparing for that first event, that first negotiation. So I ask you another thing. How do you get known as a leader, as a good lawyer? You write, you publish, you participate on committees, you give speeches. And so maybe the best piece of advice is related to a piece of advice that I was able to give a person I knew who was going to have lunch at the White House. I was able to say, by the way, those fabulous waiters, they will fill up your glass of wine when it gets half empty. Or maybe you'd call it half full. So if you're a person that drinks to the bottom of the glass and then expects somebody to refill it, you're going to be drunk quickly. Don't do that at the White House. When you go speak at Rotary, Kiwanis, Ruritan, VFW, American Legion, any nonprofit, the United Way, do not sell. It's okay to have an article with your firm logo, maybe even your picture on it, that you're going to talk about. You might talk about the future of the legal profession, the future of ethics. You might talk about the future of a topic area, e-discovery or technology and the law. Don't sell. Don't hand anybody a business card who doesn't ask for it. And you're only educating them about how best to use lawyers, how to be the best client they can be. Don't try to convince anybody to use your firm or your services. That's the agreement that we all make with these nonprofits when we as lawyers come to speak. I hope you find this advice on getting your name out there, getting your word out there, getting your thoughts out there. And to conclude, what could be better when a client comes in and says, we have a board of directors and we are part of a real estate cooperative and we think we want to sue the developer. Have you ever had a case like this? And you're able to say not only, yes, I've had a case like this, here is my article on exactly that topic. If you seem to agree with what's in the article, I'm probably the right attorney. That's the kind of answer you want. So put your thoughts in writing. As a lawyer, the 200-word, the 450-word article, 750-word article, they're not hard to write. They don't take long. Share them with your partners or other lawyers you know. Get comments on them. Hopefully some people will disagree with some things you say, and they will help you improve your article. Please, you'll find this will help you grow the kind of business as a lawyer that you want to grow. Thank you.